there. He needs to get used to the water again. It's alright. Did they swim earlier? See? No, he's got it.
He said, it's going to come back to me if I just stay here long enough.
You can do it, boy. You can do it.
Oh, he figured out then he could.
You can do it, baby. Go up there. It's okay, baby. Go ahead. Go. You got it. Get it. You can do it. There you go. I gotta go.